Find the local maxima, local minimum of the following functions. Find also local maximum and local minimum values as case may be. Local maximum, local minimum. Local maxima, local minima, local maximum and local minimum is nothing but what's the difference between these two? Question देखो, find the local maxima and local minima, and then after it is given to you that find the local maximum and local minimum values. So what is the difference between that? Point at which maximum value exists, that is called local maxima. Point which x is equals to, and that x is equals to, if you are substituting in the function value aayega na, that value is called a local maximum. Local maximum is nothing but it is actually we are going to local maximum is complete interval is divided into some disjoint intervals to divide that. Okay, so now the question is given to you here. First question is given to you, f of x is equals to x square. F of x is equals to x square. First what we have to do, second derivative test apply karna hai, so that we are going to get the local maximum local. F dash of x is equals to 2x aayega. So f dash of x is equals to 0 implies 2x is equals to 0. This implies x is equals to 0. x equal to 0 is nothing but x equal to 0 का प्लेस में ये कर्व टर्न होता है, क्रिटिकल पॉइंट बोलते हैं. एक्स स्क्वायर ग्राफ बना लो. हाँ, ये that's why I'm explaining this one. Just common sense use करना है. So what you are going to f of x is equals to 0 means ये -1 ले लिया तो +1 होगा, -2 ले लिया तो +4 होगा, +1 ले लिया तो 1, +2 ले लिया तो 4. So if you are joining the curve, you are going to get like this. Okay. So now what you can say, x equal to 0 बोले तो x equal to 0 का प्लस में टर्न हो रहा है, तब तक वो either increase हो गया decrease हो गया, doesn't matter. इससे क्या पता चलता है, इस प्लेस में चेंज हो रहा है, the function is changing, कर्व चेंज हो रहा है. अभी तक डिक्रीज कर लिया तो इंक्रीज हो सकता है, इंक्रीज कर लिया तो डिक्रीज, that doesn't matter. That is doesn't matter. So x equal to 0 is the only the point is a critical point. X equal to 0 is the critical point. We call it as a critical point. So when it is a critical point, this point possibly be the local maxima or local minima. Local max, ये तो देखते तो easily clearly पता चलता है whether 0 is a local maxima or local minima. You tell. अरे लोकल मैक्सिमम कैसे होता है, कॉमन सेंस यूज करो. नॉर्मली f of 0 क्या है, 0. f of -1 क्या है, 1. f of +1 क्या है, 1. f of 2 क्या है, 4. f of -2 क्या है, 4. in all these, what is this minimum value? So this point is called local minima. अरे मिनिमम वैल्यू है ना, मैक्सिमम डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट हियर. मैक्सिमम अब कभी ये ऊपर जाएगा, ये जस्ट कॉमन सेंस. बट आई एम इंटरलिंकिंग दिस कॉमन सेंस ऑफ द ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन विद द सेकंड डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट. सेकंड डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट से मैं इंटरलिंक कर रहा हूँ, समझ में आ रहा है ना. आई एम नॉट एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस वन. फर्स्ट नॉर्मली एक्सप्लेन करो, बिकॉज सेकंड डेरिवेटिव टेस्ट में ओरिजिनली क्या होगा वो भी पता होना है ना. Okay, so now it is a, this value है ना, आंसर है ना, this is called local minimum value. this point है ना at 0 local minima. So actually, critical point, whenever you are getting here, only one critical point you are getting. Only one critical point you are getting. At that point, you may have the local, that point may become the local minima or local maxima. We don't know now. As per the second derivative. Second derivative test apply करने के लिए compulsorily you need to do the second derivative. That's why we call it as a second derivative test. F double dash of x करो. What do you get? 2. It is greater than 0. Second derivative test याद रखो. Greater than 0 means minimum. Less than 0 means maximum. Okay. So now greater than 0. By the second derivative test, you can say that x equal to 0 is the point of local maxima. Greater than 0 means, sorry, minima. Greater than 0 means minima, less than 0 means maximum. Reverse ulta. So we are going to have the local minima. So by second derivative test, x equal to 0, where turning is there, that point is local minima. Actually, first you have to, as it is greater than 0, the function f of x has minimum value. Only minimum value is, maximum does not exist. Maximum does not, local minimum value only exists, correct? So therefore, you can say that, therefore, local minimum value is equals to 0. Means f of 0 is equals to 0. ये function समझ में आया ना? Now the second question is given to you that g of x is equals to x cube minus 3x. अभी हर बार हम ग्राफ तो नहीं ड्रा कर सकते हैं ना. So that's why we are having the second derivative test. अब ये क्या करना है, let us see. In the second problem, x cube minus 3x. G of x is equals to x cube minus 3x. Now what to do? Normally, first one time derivative करना है, that we need to make it equals to 0. So g dash of x is equals to 0 level. To get the critical points. Now, what are the critical points we'll get? इसको differentiate कर लियो, 3x square minus 3 is equals to 0. So 3 common ले लो, x square minus 1 is equals to 0. So x square minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to plus or minus 1. 2 points we are going to get. What are the 2 points here? Plus 1 and minus 1. So plus 1 पे एक तरह टर्निंग होगा, minus 1 पे एक तरह टर्निंग होगा. If you are observing the graph of the x cube minus 3x का graph observe कर लिया तो we are going to have the 2 points here. So now what you have to do, g double dash of x find out. G double dash of x. G double dash of x, what do you get here? So here, g double dash of x find out. So what is g double dash of x? G dash of x we are getting as a, be careful here, 3x square minus 3 is a g dash of x. So g double dash of x, what do you get? 6x आ जाए. Now at these particular points, you need to substitute the value here. g डबल डैश ऑफ -1 क्या होगा? -6, which is less than 0. Therefore, you can say that x equal to -1 is local maxima, and local maximum value is equals to f of -1. Local maxima means point है, local maximum point इधर substitute कर लो, that is nothing but इधर -1 substitute कर, -1 whole cube -3 into -1, so -1 plus 3 which is equals to 2. 2 ज्यादा है maximum value, and g double dash of 1 substitute कर, so what you will get? 6 add. This is greater than 0. Therefore, x equal to 1 is local minima. Therefore, local minimum value is equals to f of plus 1, which is equals to 1 इधर substitute कर लो, 1 cube minus 3 into 1, which is equals to 1 minus 3 is equals to 1. अब ट्राई कर लो, इसका ग्राफ थोड़ा सा ड्रा करके ट्राई करना, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर ड्राइंग द ग्राफ थोड़ा सा आपको अंदाजा लगता है, थोड़ा टाइम लगता होगा, बट तभी यू आर गोइंग टू गेट एन आइडिया ऑन दिस वैल्यूज को आइडिया आ जाएगा. लेट अस सी हियर, रफ पॉइंट में प्लॉट करता हूँ. 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लो, 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया तो 0, 0 हो जाएगा. So we are having the point 1, 2, 3 here, -1, -2, -3, and 1, 2, 3 here, -1, -2, -3. 0, 0 substitute कर लिया. Okay, 1 substitute कर लिया तो the value is -2. So 1 substitute कर लिया. 1 substitute कर लिया तो -2. Okay. 2 substitute कर लिया तो इसमें 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट है, 8 तभी 2 है, 8 minus 6, 1 को -2 आ रहा है ना, 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया तो -2, 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया तो +2 आ रहा, सो इधर आए. एंड आप 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया, 1.1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करके दे, जस्ट थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन है. ओके, 1.5 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर, 1.5 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर. ओके, 1.1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो सकता है, बट आपको पता चलता है भाई, बिकॉज इधर से इधर तक ग्राफ आने के बाद ये ऊपर जाएगा, ग्राफ ऑब्जर्व करो, because 1.5, okay, 1.5 substitute करता हूँ, so 1.5 whole cube minus 3 into 1.5, 15 cube, what? 2.25, 15 से मल्टीप्लाई कर, 15 5 से 75, 15 2 से 37, 3 15 2 से 30, 33, 3375. So what do you get here? 3.375 minus 4.5. So what you are getting here from this minus नेगेटिव में वैल्यू आएगा, बट वो वैल्यू क्या है? 4.500, 3.375 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो, 5 2 1 1.125 माइनस 1.125, 1.125 बोले तो माइनस 1.125 इधर होगा. So you observe the graph, ये इधर से 0 से 0.5 भी सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लो. Why I am doing this one, you know, ये ग्राफ कैसे आएगा? -1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया तो +2 है, -1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लिया तो +2 है. ये इधर से स्टार्ट होके ऐसा आके then it is going to be like this graph. And ये -2 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लो. If you substitute -2 here, what do you get? -8 -6 -14 आएगा. -2 का -14 वो बहुत नीचे होगा, तो ये पॉइंट इधर से आके इधर आएगा. Like this it going. See, so this is the graph of the x cube minus 3x. अब ये ग्राफ ऑब्जर्व कर लो. दिस इज एनालाइजेशन इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. ये ग्राफ ऑब्जर्व कर लो. ये टर्न हो रहा है इधर, इधर टर्न हो रहा है. सो एंड इधर व्हाट यू आर हैविंग मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, लोकल मैक्सिमम है, फुल मैक्सिमम नहीं है. फुल मैक्सिमम डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट. ये तो ये ऊपर जाते जाएगा बस. अब ये वैल्यू बढ़ते जाएगा तो 10 ले लिया, बहुत बड़ा वैल्यू है. 100 ले लिया, और बड़ा वैल्यू है. सो देयर इज नो एब्सोल्यूट मैक्सिमम. There is no absolute maximum. Absolute maximum is nothing but completely maximum value क्या है. ये locally है, local maximum है. Local means nothing but एक turning point होगा, उस place में ये maximum है. ये इस place में turn हो रहा है, critical point. इस place में minus negative है, minimum value. So minimum किधर हो रहा है? 1 पे हो रहा है, +1 पे. वो +1 is called as a local minimum. -1 is called local maximum. This is the original concept. Clear है? सिर्फ only solution करना नहीं है. You need to know the originality क्या है, graphical representation में क्या है, वो idea आया तो then automatically you are going to learn. Any problem you can solve. Next third question is given to you, sin x plus trigonometry is sin x plus cos x. Now here onwards graph line जरूरत नहीं है. एवरी प्रॉब्लम ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन आप देख लिया तो थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है. जस्ट आई टोल्ड यू दिस वन. ओके, व्हाट आर सो थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज h of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. h of x is equals to sin x plus cos x 0 less than x less than pi by 2. Okay, what to do here? h dash of x find out करना. So what do you get? H dash of x is equals to sin x differentiation is cos x minus sin x. So h dash of x is equals to 0 implies cos x minus sin x is equals to 0 आएगा. From this what do you get? Cos x is equals to sin x आएगा. From this what do you get? Tan x is equals to 1 आएगा. From this x is equals to क्या आएगा? tan inverse only. That 1 किधर आएगा? tan x is equals to 1 means x क्या है? हाँ? Yes, 45 degrees, that is pi by 4. That lies between these two. So आप sin x plus cos x ग्राफ ड्रा करना मुश्किल है ना. sin x plus cos x ग्राफ. So double derivative find out. h double dash of fx. So this is the critical point. At this point you may have the turning. At this point. So how many critical points you are getting? That many critical points means you need to find out. Critical points कितना आते हो उतना find out करना. इधर तो critical point एक आ रहा है. इधर इससे पहले वाला प्रॉब्लम में 2 critical points आया है. 2 places में turning हो रहा है ग्राफ. That means h double dash of x is cos x differentiation is minus sin x minus cos x. So now what? This h double dash of pi by 4 minus sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 minus 2 by root 2 which is equals to minus root 2 which is less than 0. As it is less than 0, by second derivative test, x is equals to pi by 4 is local maxima. Huh? Second derivative test. Second derivative test. So local maximum value is equals to f of pi by 4. F of pi by 4. इसमें pi by 4 substitute करो. So what do you get here? 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. So we are going to get 2 by root 2, which is equals to root 2. Root 2 is the local maximum. So maximum only na. Less than 0 means maximum. Local maximum. Value. Local maximum value. Local maxima is pi by 4. Local maxima is pi by 4. So next question. क्या है? डाउट है? Less than 0 maximum. Yeah. Greater than 0 minimum. Next, in the same way, minus is given to you. Okay, but fourth problem you see here. Fourth problem में minus दे दिया, but here it is given to you. Okay, I'll explain to you. Minus is given. The function is given f of x is equals to fourth question. F of x is equals to third with fourth question. Sin x minus cos x, and x is given to you 0 less than x less than 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi is given. Okay. F dash of x क्या होगा? Minus दे दिया. So sin x differentiation cos x. So f dash of x is equals to 0 implies cos x plus sin x is equals to 0. This implies cos x is equals to minus sin x. This implies tan x is equals to minus 1. Minus 1 किधर होगा? In the four quadrants. Tan is negative in which quadrant? All silver tea cups. याद है? First quadrant, second quadrant, and the fourth quadrant. Second quadrant is nothing but 180 minus 1. Tan 1 किधर आएगा? 1 tan का 1. Simply you can take into consider like this. 1 comma 0. Minus 1 comma 0. 0 comma 1. 0 comma minus 1. X coordinate represents cos. Y coordinate represents sin. Tan 1 is 45 degrees है ना. So second quadrant में tan negative आए. So 180 minus 1. So you are going to get x is equals to pi minus pi by 4. X equal to pi minus tan pi minus pi by 4 value क्या है? Minus tan pi by 4. And 2 pi is quadrant में. 2 pi minus pi by 4. Two values, because it is given to you the range is two places. So what you get here? 3 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. These two are the critical points. So now at these 2 points you need to find out the f double dash of x. 2 points आया ना, 2 points पे f double dash of x find out. So f double dash of x is equals to f dash of x is minus sin x plus cos x. So f double dash of 3 pi by 4 minus sin 3 pi by 4 plus cos 3 pi by 4. What is the sin 3 pi by 4 value? Same pi minus pi by 4. So sin second quadrant, sin is positive. So we are going to get minus sin pi by 4. Cos in the second quadrant is negative. So minus cos pi by 4. So which is equals to minus 1 by root 2, minus 1 by root 2. Minus 2 by root 2 is equals to minus root. Less than 0. Less than 0 means local. Therefore, x is equals to 3 pi by 4 local minima. Sorry, maximum. Less than 0, na? Local maxima. And local maximum value is equals to f of 3 pi by 4. F of 3 pi by 3 pi by 4 इधर substitute करना. Sin 3 pi by 4 value minus 1 by root. Minus 1 by root. Cos 3 pi by value that is also minus 1 by root. No. Sin 3 by 4 plus 1 by root. Na? Sin 3 pi by 4 value plus 1 by root because sin pi by 4. So minus cos 3 pi by 4 value minus 1 by root. So minus plus हो जाएगा. So which is equals to root 2 आ गया. This is a local maximum. Same way you can do the f double dash of 7 pi by 4 substitute. 7 pi by 4 substitute करने तो what value you are going to get, that you have to see. Can you do it? वो पार्ट तो कर सकते हैं ना. Next, in this last question is given to you. This one question I will explain to you, then after I will. Okay. Polynomial is given. That polynomial you can do it. I think so. So what is the question given? X cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 50. Simple question. What is the question given? X cube f of x is equals to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 50. पहले f dash of x find out करो. F dash of x is equals to, this is the fifth problem, 3x square minus 12x plus 9. F dash of x equal to 0 ले लो. So what do you get? 3 common लेके x square minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. X minus 3, x minus 1 is equals to 0. X is equals to 1 comma 3. So 1 f double dash of x find out करो. First I am doing इसको डबल डेरिवेट करना. 6x minus 12 आ जाएगा. 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर लो. f double dash of 1. 6 minus 12 minus 6 less than 0. This is local maximum. F double dash of 3 ले. 18 minus 12 which is equals to 6. 3 is local minima. But like this you can find out the local minima, local maximum,